Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving on the Portmore Expressway. This is a road that takes you into Portmore. It's actually a highway. It's a part of Highway 2000 and it's a toll road, so you have to pay to use it. So we went over the 3 miles overpass and came on to the Portmore Expressway, and we're heading into Portmore. Now, if you remember when this road was being built or opened, there was a lot of discussion about it because there was a road here before. Causeway Bridge was here and you could use the road to get into Portmore free of charge. And then the government of the day, I don't remember which one, came along and turned this into a toll road, so now you have to pay to use the road. So it created a lot of discussion. Nonetheless, this is one of the nicest roads in Jamaica. It's a 6-lane highway. It's the only road that's part of Highway 2000 that's 6 lanes. 6 lanes. Very nice road. So this is the widest toll road in Jamaica, put it that way. All the other roads are 4 lanes, except when you get to the toll plazas, the road gets bigger. But this is the only 6-lane toll road in Jamaica. So Highway 2000 actually has 3 parts. Most people think it's just 2. This leg that we're on, the Portmore leg, and this was built by the French company. This is part of Highway 2000, and the road from Kingston to Ocherios, that's part of Highway 2000, what they call that the North-South Highway. And then the part from Kingston to Montego Bay is also Highway 2000, but they call that the East-West leg. Highway 2000 East-West leg, Highway 2000 North-South Highway. But this road is not called Highway 2000 in any way in the name. It's just called the Portmore Expressway. And maybe that's why most persons forget that this is a part of Highway 2000. However, when you get to the toll plaza and you have to pay toll, I'm sure you'll remember. And the same company you pay the toll to, Trans Jamaica Highway, that you pay the toll to for the Kingston to Montego Bay leg of the highway, it's the same company that you pay the toll to here. So it's the same company that operates this toll plaza, that operates the Vineyards Toll Plaza, that operates the Maypen Toll Plaza, Spanish Town Toll Plaza. Wow, is that a ship? That is a massive ship in the harbor. Wow. Alright, so we just went over the Causeway Bridge, and I'm sorry, that ship, the size of the ship just got my attention. But we were going to talk about the Causeway Bridge, but we'll do that in another video. Actually, we can tell you. Hold on, I want you guys to see the size of this ship. Okay, we can't see it. I'm going to have to make a video. Okay. So there's a bridge being built as a part of the Mandeville leg of Highway 2000, the Rio Mino Bridge, and NWA says that will be the widest bridge in Jamaica. And it's a 4-lane bridge. Persons have commented, and even I have looked at it, and I say that the Causeway Bridge is 6 lanes. So why is the Causeway Bridge not the widest bridge in Jamaica? So that's something that I wanted to point out when we're going over the actual bridge. But we'll look at it more in another video. We're actually going to we have the videos up on the Causeway Bridge, and some persons had mentioned the Harborview Bridge as being wider. So you can check it out. You can search the channel for widest bridge in Jamaica and take a look at it, and then look back at this video of the bridge we just went over a while ago, which is the Causeway Bridge, and then you can decide which one you think is bigger. But I would imagine a 6-lane bridge would be wider than a 4-lane bridge, but we will check it out. And I'm going to double check with NWA, that's the National Works Agency. They actually, NWA is responsible for all the main roads in Jamaica and all the bridges. So they should know what the widest bridge in Jamaica is. So this is the Portmore Toll Plaza. We actually should get one. We actually have the tag in the car. We just have to... Tag is like the electronic toll, so you don't have to go to an agent. We just need to refill it. But the problem with the tag is, why I don't like using it is, let's say you put on $1,000. You go through the toll plaza twice. When you go through the toll plaza, it doesn't tell you what your balance is. So it doesn't say 700 left, so you don't know. So let's say you put it on and a couple of days later you've been through the toll and you lose track. When you go to the toll plaza and there is no money on it, the gate just won't open and you have to reverse. It's most tedious and embarrassing. So there should be a way to check the toll, like when you go through and you see it should come up with the balance on this screen that you're looking at. Awesome. Okay, so that's Portmore Toll Plaza. That's the largest toll plaza in Jamaica. I'm gonna go over here and I want to show you guys the size of this ship. Okay, we're not going to get a good view from here. The ship is actually leaving, it's moving. This is just the top of it, but it's a massive ship. You can't really get to see the size from this angle.